In today's video, I will teach you how to turn images into 3D printed action figure portraits using AI. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered what you'd look like as a collectible action figure? Thanks to AI artifacts, you don't need extensive 3D modeling software or sculpting skills to find out. And to do this, open your browser and go to Photo AI Artifacts. Now click the Upload button, then choose a clear photo from your computer. For best results, select an image with good lighting and minimal background distractions. Now look at the left-hand panel, where you'll find a wide variety of AI art styles. Now scroll down until you see the action figure section. Then select the Action Figure 3 to apply the 3D printed action figure portrait effect. Then watch as the AI automatically transform your image into a collectible style figure. At the bottom right of the page, click the Compare button, and this will let you see the before and after versions of your image side by side. And if you're not satisfied, don't worry, you can tweak the results. To do this, hover over the effect thumbnail and click the Regenerate button. And each regeneration only takes about 10 seconds, and you'll get a slightly different version each time. And if you really like an effect, click the star icon to save it to your favorites, and you can access all favorites later in the favorites section for quick use. And when you're happy with your 3D printed style action figure portrait, you can click the download button to save it to your computer. And here are some tips for beginners. With just a few clicks, you can turn a regular photo into a 3D printed action figure portrait using AI, a fun and beginner-friendly way to bring your creativity to life. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.